See, I've been a fan of yours because of your accent, man. Man, I bet you could probably make anything sound good. So I'm gonna try something with you here. I'm gonna give you a scenario, and all you gotta do is tell me just what you would do. So here's the first one. All right, you're at a coffee shop. What's your order?
A macchiato with hot milk.
The women in here with, I got that. I got your macchiato right here in this hot milk. Okay, someone steals your parking spot at the mall. What's your response?
No.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
All right, here's one. You're on a bad first date. How do you get out of it?
I don't know what to say to a woman in that situation that sounds sexy. I gotta go.
Yeah. Hey. If your voice does that, she gonna want you to leave.
She will be the one. She will be the one who would run from me.
Yeah. That's good, man. Thank you, brother. Hey, man, big fan of yours, man. Always. Hey, listen, everybody. Genius Picasso airs tonight at 10, 9 Central on National Geographic. Go check him out. The legend, Antonio Banderas. We'll be right back, y'all. Hey, I'm Steve Harvey. You want more of that? Well, don't just sit there. Go get it. Press subscribe or click on this list and you can see all the amazing videos you want. Press it. Press it.